In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong error in Roblox. As you can see, I'm experiencing the same issue. The main reason for this error is your internet connection. I'll show you a few methods to easily fix this problem. The first thing you need to do is completely close your game. The next step is to open Command Prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. Just type the command netsh winsock reset and press enter. This command will reset your network adapter. The next step is to open your browser and simply search for roblox.com in the search bar. When you're creating your Roblox account, make sure to do it through the website. This way, you'll stay logged in. The method I'm about to show you works if at least one of your devices is already logged into Roblox. Now, open Roblox again and click on Sign In. Here, select Quick Sign In. Here, you'll get a code. Just go to the website, click on the settings icon, select Quick Sign In, and then enter the code in the provided field. All you need to do is click Enter and then Confirm. And just like that, you can log into your account without any errors. If this method doesn't fix your problem, the last thing you can try is to open your browser again. Just open a new tab, type Proton VPN in the search bar, and go to their website. Just like I said before, this problem happens because of your internet connection. If you use a good VPN, your issue will be fixed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you still have any problems, be sure to write them in the comments. See you soon.